Hello. Scrambles, Heisenberg. Hello. I know what everyone wants. I know. You all want to see me shine, huh? Because it's getting dark. Oh, look at me. I'm so beautiful. Usually I'm letting the animals out. We're always letting them out. Right now, guys, it's getting dark. So you gotta get put away for the night so you can get some rest. Are you ready, Hans? Hans, are you ready? Hans, are you ready? I think Hans is ready. I think the goats are ready. You ready, goats? Oh yeah, the goats are ready. There goes the sun. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Kind of fighting each other a little bit. Yum, 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 yum. Whoa, I'm going to sit on a goat. Whoa, I'm going to sit on this goat. Whoa, I'm on a goat. I'm on a goat, guys. Check me out. Wow, he didn't seem to like it too much. Time for some other animals to get put up. Doo, doo, doo. Whoa, good jump. There's Shadow, the Easter egger chicken. Alright, chickens are next. Okay, I got the scooper. Here I go. I did it! Let's go give you geese some food. Then we'll come back. We'll give the chickens some more food. Alright, here we go. Come on, geese. You gotta fill up your water bowl, too. Here we go. This isn't easy. I don't know how you do this, Mama. Alright, I got some. I'm gonna feed them some. Here you go, guys. There you go. Don't bite me. I'm not... Ouch, 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 ouch. Watch out. I'm just gonna sit on you for a minute. Wow. Check me out. I'm a goose rider. Alright, on to the bunnies. Oh, they're ready. They go right in their cage. That's pretty cool. Alright, I got the bunnies food. It's a big scoop of bunny food. Let's go. Here you go, bunnies. Oh, they're eating right out of the scoop. Here, you can have the whole scoop. I don't know where your bowl is right now. I just see your water bowl. So you're gonna eat that. Give me that. You had some food stuck in your fur. So wow. Wow. Hi. This is cool. Can I try some? Oh, that's good. Okay, guys, I gotta go feed the chickens and the ducks some more. So then I'll bring you some water. I'll be back. Enjoy your food. It looks like you really like it. And we'll bring you some treats, too. Oh, you already got your food. I'll bring you some treats, too, though. Okay. So, I always come back and feed the chickens after I get the ducks put up. Because if I don't do that, then the geese try to follow me in here. So I gotta kind of play a trick on them. It's pretty funny. Here we go. You guys ready? Look at this big old bag of food I got. Who's ready? Wow. 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 Wow, that looks good. You guys seem to really like it. It's for ducks and chickens and geese. That's pretty nifty. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get your water. Oh, shoot, the Hans is back. I didn't trick 'em for lunch. Here we go. I'm gonna get more. This was already out here, so I'm gonna go get some more. First, I'm gonna give you guys some treats. You want the treats? Yeah. That looks like they want some treats. Here we go. Here we go. From who likes Polaris? The best. That's great. Who likes Polaris? Oh, you like Polaris. Oh, you like Polaris. Who likes the North Star? You like the North Star, Hans? Get some lettuce. They're just biting me. Here you go, Hans. Here, Hans. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. You want some? He said, no, thank you. That's okay. There you go. There you go. Eat some anyway. Right, let's give some to the goats. Nibbling me. Someone's nibbling my legs. Stop. Stop. Here's some for you. Hans. All right, he scrambles. Oh, we got you super special Christmas cookies. Here you go. Here you go. Now for the bunnies. All right, I didn't forget you guys either. I got you some lettuce. Here you go. Here you go. Let me go get water. All right. Wow, that's noisy. I forgot the water, so I'm going to go get some of the water. All right, this is really heavy. There's a lot of water. Here goes some water for you. Here goes some water for you. Here's some more water for you. Here's some water for you guys. Sorry for splashing you. Okay, it got really noisy. So I'm about to go inside. But first, let me go check on this other animal. I fed her first. I forgot to record it because she's crazy. Here she is. She's so muddy. I think that's a black hole's house back there. Alright, bye guys. It's chopping a bunch of wood, so it's really noisy. Bye.